Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. For example, on this screen right here, this is your passcode's inputs screen, right? So what if you forgot about it and you cannot access your iPhone anymore? So don't be afraid. I have one simple way for you to open your iPhone again. However, for this one, I want to make sure or ask yourself first, are you sure that you back up your iCloud data? To show you what iCloud data is, go to settings. I'm sorry, you can't go to settings because your phone is locked, right? So anyway, I'm going to show it to you real quickly here. It should be this one right here. Are you sure that your iCloud data or your data from your iCloud is backed up? If you're sure that your backed up data is on your iCloud, then we can proceed here. So the first thing I want you to do is, of course, um, turn off your phone. How can you turn off your phone? Of course, the power button on the right side of your phone if you're holding your phone up front, or for the older ones, it's actually on the top right. So, the thing here is I don't actually have a way here because I don't need to reset my iPhone. However, I have screenshots. So, what you want to do is, of course, secure a PC, a computer. If you don't want have one, you can borrow one. If you don't have any friends that have PC, go to the Apple Store. Anyway, it's a fairly simple way, even a laptop can do it. So if you have your PC, you need to connect your connector, your lightning cable to your phone to your laptop or PC. Now once you're here, I want you to turn off your phone. Once it's turned off, I want you to turn it on. Hold the power button and then connect the connector to your phone at the same time. The important thing here, please take note that you need to hold that power or side button as long as you can, even though the Apple logo pops up, keep holding until you see this screen right here. Okay? Now, once you see this screen right here, you see this support apple.com iPhone restore, or this logo right here, you can now let go of that power button. Now, once you're here, leave your iPhone as it is, set it aside, put it down. Now, focus on your computer or Mac or whatever you connected your phone with. If you're using your Mac, this should be your landing page. Let me just open it. This is a screenshot. So as you can see here, this is the landing page of a Mac. You should see this software iPhone recovery mode once you connected it. If you don't have a Mac, you have a Windows, you need to download iTunes, and this should be the landing page of iTunes also. So as you can see here, we have two options. We don't need to click update because we don't have access. However, we need to click restore iPhone. Again, I'm gonna stop you right here. Make sure that your iCloud data is backed up. You're gonna ask yourself, if you're not that sure, I suggest go to the Apple Store and go to a professional. Anyway, if you're sure enough that, or it's okay for you if ever you get deleted on your data, you can proceed here because there is no other way to recover your iPhone than this manually. If you want to secure your data, go to the Apple Store, but I doubt that there is any other workaround. Anyway, if you're sure that your iCloud data is backed up, click on Restore iPhone right here. You'll be directed on this one. Click on Restore and Update. The thing here is if you click on this one, your phone will go to a factory reset. It's like your iOS is brand new from the shop. All of the data there is backed up. That's going to be deleted. Now, to get that data backed up or back to your phone, open your iCloud and click on Sync to your phone. Anyway, this should do it. Once you click on Restore and Update, it will be deleting everything and going back to the home screen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.